Hey everybody, it's me, Pepe, with another backyard quick video here. This is my cacao seedling, and I'm sorry about the shaky video, but I'm holding this with one hand and a couple of fingers actually, just to keep it steady. So I'm not doing too bad of a job. But anyway, this is a nice little cacao seedling. It's only about 9 days old. You can see they germinate very quickly. You can see the root system. And this one's growing in coconut fiber. And I like to use coconut fiber a lot of times because it really works well for germination. Over here you can see a bunch of young seedlings. These are about the same. These are about 11 days old. And then over here you can see the more mature cacao plants. These are about 3 weeks, a little over, maybe like 3.5 weeks, and they're doing quite well. You can see them there. Now this is a very shady area of the yard, bright light but shady. And I have to water them a lot to keep them from drying out. And we have them at different stages. Here you can see these are only a couple of days, and you can see already that the seeds are popping out of the soil. And by the way, I'm using here the, it's called Pro Mix. Pro Mix is an excellent mixture that you can use as a medium to grow your plants. Now in the back, these are the Abiu, A-B-I-U. These are Abiu from Hawaii. And these are great plants that you can really enjoy the fruit. It's amazing fruit. You should check that out on the website.